What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble LZV100 LENZ command station and booster. It's very easy. Of course, every time I'm saying very easy. No, it's really easy. So after I replace, actually I took the old battery and put that holder for the new battery. It's 2450, that size. This is Varta, Duracell, whatever you prefer. Okay, so here we go. Put this plug in. Here we go. Okay, it's like this. So those inputs, outputs here, and this is the front side with LED. The box symmetrical, so all those holes, they are the same. It's not front or rear, so the same. So here we go. But you just need to remember to put this, just remember this side going to match those holes for heatsink. Okay, right, and just slide inside. One side is not on the way. Sometimes it's a bit tricky, but no biggie, it's done. Okay, so now time to screw. There are two long screws here and here. Just need a little bit of wiggle and that should be fine. Okay. Oh, I'm a little bit off. That should be good now. Here you go. One, two. That's good. With the frequencies, it makes vibration, you know. Loctite will be a little bit overwhelmed, but if you want to secure with Loctite, that's fine. Actually, there is it's not really getting warm, but there is like special what's the name? Paste. Yeah, to do it, like computers, yeah, stuff like this. So I just put those two in diagonal. Okay, then I tighten them. So LED in place here. Let's get two more. Before I'm putting the rear panel, I need to slide two covers here. We'll do it in a few moments. Two, three, four. Perfect. Okay, now sliding these guys. Sometimes when you like shaking, they have some noise, but this is with LZV100. The new one, I think the 200, I don't think so, I opened it yet, but it has also those slides. So the box from LZV200 newer unit is the same box, same pretty much everything. Connectivity in the back, yeah, different. There is like a couple of different plugs, USB for update. It's metal body, it's very nice. So some glue, but yeah, looks like somebody put some glue, but it's okay, no worries. It should be good. That's repair for the customer. So my customer service deal, and I think gentleman has the rest of the plugs. Just showing how the plugs go. This is programming track and feedback. Two feedback modules. CDE is for connecting extra booster, that thing, and this is Express Net LMAB. So if you're extending, it's the same. This is the same as this. There is the diagram to show you exactly how to connect if you want to expand your ExpressNet. So here we go. Done deal. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.